Stop wasting time with electrical boxes and RTV on every outdoor camera install. There's a better way. Every installer knows that a clean install starts with the right hardware. Meet the new CE-UJBXL, the ultimate weather-resistant universal junction box, purpose-built for outdoor cameras and accessories. Built from rugged powder-coated die-cast aluminum, the CE-UJBXL is designed to withstand the toughest environments. Based on our popular CE-UJB, the CE-UJBXL is 50% larger and packed with installer-friendly features, including hole patterns for UWB, MXWB, VXWB, and BZ series cameras, plus single, double gang, and 4-inch square hole patterns, and an angled captive side locking screw that provides junction box access without removing the camera. 3 3/4-inch threaded conduit holes for flexible cable routing, 2 inches of internal storage depth for power and video connections, and a removable weather-resistant door with built-in cable gasket. Installing the CE-UJBXL is fast and easy. First, remove the detachable door. Mount your camera or bracket to the door using the appropriate hole pattern. Pass the camera cable through the door and secure the rubber gasket for a weather-tight seal. Next, mount the junction box to the surface and route your cables through a conduit hole. Attach the safety cable, snap the door into place, and then connect your cables. Tuck in excess slack, tighten the angled locking screw, and you're done. So the next time you install an outdoor camera, trust the CE-UJBXL to get the job done right. Available now at clintonelectronics.com.